February is National Pet Dental Health Month. Did you know dental disease affects 8 out of 10 pets and is the most untreated disease in our furry friends? That's why it's important to take your pets for regular dental checkups and also care for them at home. Make sure you're looking very closely at their mouth. Joining me is veterinarian Rachael Campbell, Medical Director for Pet Wellness Clinic. Good to see you.
Nice to see
Thanks for coming on. This is an important, no problem.
Yeah.
This is a topic that not too many people know that, you know, if you have a pet, these are one of the things that you really have to pay close attention to. We're talking about veterinary teeth health.
Yeah, it's a real thing. Obviously, it becomes a lot more obvious. I feel like in the summer months when they're like panting in your face.
And you smell it.
And you're like, ooh, what is that? And then you start talking about it with a veterinarian and, you know, you can discuss a lot more about what to do at home. Yeah.
It doesn't just affect the mouth, though.
Yeah. So just like us, I mean, it's literally, they have the same issues that we do. If we were to never brush our teeth, you'd lose your teeth, you'd have, you know, kidney disease, heart disease, all those things are affected just like they are with us, they are with the pets as well.
You talk about periodontal disease and things like that. So what are some of the things that, you know, if you're a pet owner and you're out there and you're wondering, okay, I don't want to really go to the vet, but I could take care of them by doing what? Yeah,
so, I mean, nobody wants to hear this, but brushing their teeth, if they will let you. You know, it's always, of course, dog and pet dependent. Yeah, like have them hold their tongue out and brush it. But, you know, if you can brush their teeth even twice a week has been shown to be helpful.
Okay.
You know, again, there's different types of toothbrushes, there's different types, there's dental wipes, there's water additives, there's things that you can look over the counter at pet stores, and a lot of veterinary clinics will carry them as well, that are things you can do at home to try to help decrease that tartar buildup. The difficult thing is if you get to a mouth that's completely covered and it's got that yellow hard stuff on there, that calculus is built up bacteria and saliva that's like solidified on there.
Yeah, you got to take them in.
Yeah, they got to get cleaned off at that point for you to be able to then work forward trying to decrease the buildup.
And what are some of the signs of dental disease?
So again, the smell is one of the biggest things that people notice. The smell, sometimes they're in pain. You might even hear your pet kind of cry out or hold their food differently, drop their food when they're eating. Those are kind of the most common things that we start to see. And then of course, whenever you take them to the vet, they'll talk to you about that and kind of your options at that point.
And sometimes it could be the food that they're eating as well.
So yeah, in general, we do, you know, having them eat some type of hard food that, you know, again, gives a little bit of traction there and trying to pull off some of that tartar and decrease the buildup. But it does depend on the pet and what any medical conditions they may have as far as what type of food they should eat.
And for those who are first-time pet owners out there and thinking, okay, if I have a pet and I have to do this, what is the process of getting your pet's teeth clean? Do they have to go under?
Yeah, they do. I mean, there are some, you hear about kind of mild sedations used for dental cleanings, but it's really not going to be anywhere near what needs to happen. They really need full sedation. Obviously, they're not going to hold their mouth open. Yeah, we do full dental x-rays. We look at the roots, you know, pulling that tartar off, scaling their teeth, the insides of the teeth, you know, doing a good job of actually probing and checking for signs of pain if there's pulp exposure, and then addressing if there need to be any extractions, which unfortunately is a lot more common in pets because, again, they're not taking as good of care as their teeth as we do.
You, the owner, should be doing that for them.
Yeah.
You have a special pet wellness for February.
Yeah, we do. Well, our Pet Prime members do get $50 off their dental cleanings, and we do have during the month of February $30 off dental cleanings for anyone that comes in.
All right.
Yeah.
Rachael Campbell, Pet Wellness, thank you so much for coming on this morning.
Thank you so much.
Good to see you. Happy February. We'll connect you to Pet Wellness Clinics at fox59.com/links for more information and see these things here that we were talking about. Just check with your veterinarian and see what works for your pet.
Yep.
All right, Rachael, thank you so much. Amber, I'll send it over to you.